And then we'll just get out and make a run for it down there and ask them if it's normal. Because you would stay here if you had this hammer in you. Overlooking the estuary. Oh, he's found a good stick. He's found a good stick. Here we are in Anglesey, afternoon, and behind me there you might be able to see some of the mountains, or Snowdon in particular you can see apparently. Let's have an explore of Pont Menai. Like Pont Menai Castle, is it?
You're not allowed in there.
Wow, Sam, you can join me. You want a doggy bit? Truffle cheeseburger in Anglesey. Now this is really good.